There are so many tasks on a project and they're assigned to different teams. So when you're looking at a project and you go into the Kanban board, we make it super simple to assign tasks to different teams by seeing this in a different grouping. If you change the grouping to be team, you'll see each column turns into the team specifically. And then you can very quickly just drag these tasks and put them into other teams. Obviously, I'm making a lot of errors here, but the principle is that you can make these updates really quickly. And let's now also see in the project requirements in the scope another way of doing this. So you might have tasks at different stages that pass responsibility from one team here, the contractor, to the architect, to the contractor again, or a different team potentially. On the right hand side, we've got a quick assign. You can simply choose a team. Once you've selected the team, you can simply, by clicking, you can assign it to be that different team. One of the cool things as well is applying a filter at the same time. So if you apply a filter for one team, and let's pick some teams that actually have something. There we go. And then if you wanted to unassign these and assign them to another team, you can simply do this, and then you'll see them they're being removed from the rows as soon as there are no assignments. So you can see what's happening. Hopefully these different methods of assigning teams, in addition to obviously picking a task and changing it using the drop down, make it really quick and simple to assign the right tasks to the right teams.